So today we are opening now the collector's chest. This is the second collector chest I've opened. The first one did me well. Pulled the Charizard out of that one. And bang for your buck, this is definitely your best bet in my opinion. You can still find these at Target for 25 bucks. Not too bad. Alright, let's open it up. Got the dogs growling. Hey, Sandy. Knock it off. Alright, there it is. So I know I'm going to have some goodies in here. Let's check it out. Move this second. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see how these first three cards look. That first card, man. There's something about the centering on that card that it just, you do not get a good centered card. If anyone got a good Mimikyu centered, that's actually centered well, let me know, because these ones are, for the last two I got, were a lot extra on this side. The light toxicity is freaking sweet and perfectly centered as normal. They had issues printing this first one, I feel like. But still, this is not leaving this case. Set that off to the side here. We got our packs. We got, obviously, our 6 Celebrations packs, and I think 2. We got a Battle Styles. What is it? And Vivid Voltage, cool. Set these right here. We got our Celebrations. Set that right there. Alright. Toss that. Stickers, which don't care about these. This little binder is kind of cool though. I have used this already, but I'm going to set this one off to the side here. The stickers go back in the box on top of our 3 promo cards. Never touch those. Alright, I'm going to close her up. This back. Okay. There we go. Alright guys, let's start with the Battle Styles. It's weird opening the Celebrations packs and then going back to a normal size pack. Again, I don't know the card trick. I'll learn it after this video. Hondor. Lickitung. Orsia. Mankey. Classic. Micro. I'm going to leave that as I don't know literally anything about it. I'll learn. It's been a minute since I've been into Pokemon. But I'm back. I actually have money to spend this time. Last time I was 8. Didn't have any money. Oh, Seadra, classic. Here's your code. And we got a Vivid Voltage. Sophie, stop. Alright, let's see what we got here. Voltorb, Weedle, Vaporeon. Gotta love pulling Vaporeon. Gotta love it. Energy. Zebra Striker. Beauty. Here's your code. Okay, alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Celebrations packs. Let's hope for some magic here, guys. Something good. Groudon. Kyogre. God damn it. Thought it was going to be something else. Pikachu. There's your code. Another Pikachu. I'm due for one of the big three, guys. I'm due. Cyclone. There you go. Mew. God dang, lots of Mews. This first one's much better. Look at the centering difference. You can't. So here's the first one that's pretty much perfect. And the second one, you can see the difference. If anyone trying to grade cards. There's your 10. Look at the centering. And there's your 8. Big difference. Oh, you can't see the back, but it's the little things from my experience. Alright, guys. We got 4 left. Four cards left. Oh, 4 packs, sorry. Not cards. Okay. Kyogre. Almost in every pack, I swear. Cosmog, almost in every pack. Lugia. Professor's Research. There's your code. Alright. 3 more, guys. Let me know if there's a reason why hardly anybody else cuts. I know they're afraid of cutting the cards, but I mean, it's pretty obvious. If you cut in a certain place, you're not really coming within a ½ inch of the card. So I don't know if there's a reason why no one else does that. I mean, I get to save the artwork, but besides that. Xerneas. Ooh, I see something full art here. Alright, Pikachu. There's your code. Lots of fine Pikachus. It's still a cool card. Still a cool card. That everybody and their mother's gonna have here. Ooh, got it on the bottom here. Alright. Let's go here. Cosmog. Cosmoem. Cleffa, nice. First Cleffa pull. Nice. I'm gonna sleep both of these. This Cleffa is centered freaking. pretty sinking good. Cool. Always like getting something new. Still gonna sleeve this, even though I've got like 3 of them, but someone might want it. There's your code. Alright, last pack magic. Kyogre. Cosmog. Olivia. I don't think it's gonna happen, guys. Didn't happen. There's your code. But still got some nice cards. Got that Cleffa. Vaporeon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll try to get some more stuff to open soon, but peace out.